Hello guys, welcome to today's video where I'll explain how I bought my MacBook M1 for just 68,792 rupees. So just to clarify, this is the base model MacBook M1 which comes with 7 GPU cores and 256 GB of storage. So if you need something higher than this, then this is not applicable to those MacBooks. This is just for the baseline MacBook. And this is only possible if you buy your MacBook from the Unicorn store. So let's get started. So for step 1, so you need to go to a Unicorn Apple store, and there they offer you the MacBook Air for a discount of 5% on the MRP. The MRP is around 93,000 rupees, and a 5% discount brings down the price to about 88,255 rupees. And now for step 2, I use GST tax input during the billing. So this can be done if you own a company and you can get the laptop billed in the name of the company so that you get the GST tax benefit, or you can ask your friend who has a company who can give you the GST benefit. I had a friend who did it for me, and I took a GST input, and it can be calculated by dividing the amount paid by 1.18, so which is 88,255 divided by 1.18, which brings down the total cost to 74,792. And just a disclaimer, during billing, you or your friend, whoever has the GST number, will have to pay the full amount of 88,255. You will get the GST tax benefit later on. For more info on that, I think you should contact a CA. And then for the step 3, I availed a 6,000 rupees cashback offer that was available on my HDFC card. You can use a credit card on a non-EMI or a debit card on a no-cost EMI of 6 months, and you get the cashback around within 120 days, but you do get the cashback. So this brings the price further down to about 68,792. And this is how I got it for 68,792. But not everyone can do this, so you must be wondering that if you do not have an HDFC card, you can of course try asking your friends, or you do not have a GST number, well, you can still do one thing. If you're a student, you can simply go to apple.com and get a MacBook on a student discount. Apple offers a student discount of 10%, which brings down the price to around 83,000 rupees. And this is higher than the student discount offered on other Apple stores. So I suggest you get your laptop from Apple store if you do not have an HDFC card or you do not have a GST number. Paying 83,000 rupees is much more than around 69,000 rupees, but you'll still get a 10,000 rupee discount on the MRP, that is 93,000, and you anyways do not have an HDFC card or a GST billing option. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and if you didn't, tell me in the comments. I'll try to improve in the next video. See you.